All right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. I'm here with Evan Rosenthal of Kalashnikov USA, and he's going to show us some 9mm Kalashnikovs here. So what are we looking at?
Absolutely. So this is called the KP9 Pistol, and as you can see, this one is featured with an SB folding mechanism and an SBA3 brace. This gun right here is based on the original Russian Vityaz 9mm submachine gun. This one is not select fire. This is a 9mm. It uses proprietary magazines designed by us, and it will also take the original Russian Vityaz magazines. It's a gas blowback, 9mm, 1-in-6 twist in the barrel, forged bolt, and this gun is all around fun. This is a Dioptic USA red dot sight that we have on here for demonstration purposes, and a 2-point sling that we put on it.
Gotcha. And this gun actually is using an older receiver.
Correct.
An updated receiver.
Correct. Absolutely.
Okay, very cool. And then you've got some other configurations here. You've got a pistol.
Correct. So up here is called the KP9 Pistol. Right. Then down here we have the KR9 SBR. And then we also have the KR9 Carbine. We will also have the triangle folding stock for sale separately on the website.
Gotcha.
Using a 5.5mm pin.
And now question, do you also do select fire versions of these or just semi-auto only?
Right now it's semi-auto, but we're going to start making some post-86 samples for some of the dealers that have been requesting it.
Very cool. All right. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
No problem.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Kalashnikov USA at SHOT Show 2019, and you are watching DefenseReview.com.